and welcome back to my channel. So today is wash day for me, and that's why my hair is looking so crazy. So I'll be using these two products that I received from BEAUTYCON. This is the Rich collection, the Rich Luxury collection, available at Sally Beauty. I received this when I went to Rick Ross's booth at BEAUTYCON. If you have not seen that video, I'll put the link down below or somewhere on the screen. Make sure you guys see that video. It's a really good video. But they did end up giving me the Pure Luxury Intense Moisture Shampoo as well as the Pure Luxury Intense Moisture Conditioner. So to style my hair, I have this product. My BFF ended up sending me a link to someone's Instagram, and they were using this twist secret thing. I've never seen anything like that before in my life, and I was like, I need to get my hands on that. So I googled it and I saw that Amazon had it. Amazon had it for $16. So it came in the mail today, and I thought it was perfect because I'm about to wash my hair anyway. So why not style my hair using this? So when I received the package and I unboxed it, the package was halfway open. I don't know if I got like a bootleg one. I hope this ain't bootleg, because on the box says that some batteries are supposed to be included in your package, and I did not receive any batteries. The actual product itself seems very cheap, very cheaply made, and it does have Baby Bliss on here, and Baby Bliss is more of a higher end brand, so I'm a little confused because Baby Bliss is written on here, but there's nowhere on the box that says Baby Bliss. So depending on how well this product works on dry hair is whether or not I will blow dry my hair or leave it wet for this hairstyle. Maybe I should read the directions first before I do this. So you just lock your hair in, both ends of it, and then you turn it on. Let me just turn it on and see. Moving. That was speed 1, and this is speed 2. Oh. Okay, so there is no speed 1 and speed 2. I guess it's step 1 and step 2. So step 1 is loading your hair inside the thingy, I guess. That's twisting the actual 2 strands. And to twist the 2 strands together, you will go down. Okay, seems easy enough. Let's give it a try. The hell? Oh, this thing is stuck. The button will not push up. Ooh. It's only going down. What type of cheap crap is this? Let me try to push it up with something. It's jammed. Okay, there it is. Wait a minute. Let me, okay. Let me go back up. Look! My hair is dirty, so don't come for me. Look at that! How do you know? Okay, we got a problem. I think I did it too much because you see my hair is like, okay, no. Oh shit! And it gets tight, y'all, look! Look how freaking tight this is. Wow. So, okay, let me let go of the ends and see what happens. Oh my gosh, look y'all. Oh my gosh, I have an actual tight twist. Well, it's tight here, but the roots are still loose. So I don't know if you would be able to do an actual full twist out because your roots will be loose. Unless you start the twist, you hold it with maybe a bobby pin or something, or one of those clips, and then you do the twist. I can't believe how tight this is. Like, wow. I did detangle each section before twisting it, so my hair is already fully detangled. All right, so I'm just going to take a section of hair and I just want to see which direction these twists are going to go so I know which way to cornrow twist my hair. So it's a little weird because this one is doing it faster than this side. If I keep twisting it, then this is going to be way too tight. And this, look. See, now this is way too tight. It's like thread. Okay. Okay, it's not bad. It did a really good job at twisting, although my hair needs product in it. It did a really good job at twisting it. And it was super quick. So I'm about to just do a test cornrow and I will come back in a second. Hopefully it's going in the same direction. Okay. That's going. Oh. No, it's going the wrong way. It's going the wrong way. Now I have to do this over. This is such a bootleg thing. They sent me the bootleg, the knockoff. The Canal Street one, y'all. This thing is so jammed, it's not even working. What the hell? Look at my hair. My hair is now tangled in this thing. I think this is a fail. Ooh, ooh. Okay, wait a minute now. Okay, it twisted it. I don't know if I'm gonna do the rest of my hair like this, but it did twist my hair. Oh, I really got the bootleg one. Look, I'm not even touching it, and the thing will not clamp down on my hair. It's stuck. So frustrating. I'm about to just do it with my fingers. This is just really irritating. Okay, so I'm all finished twisting my hair. I did get frustrated towards the back and I just ended up using my hands to... Okay, so I guess I'll take the ones in the front out first because these are the ones that were twisted with the machine. I don't typically do twist outs on wet hair. I usually do it on dry hair just so that I can have some length. But here we go. Okay, this thing twisted it so much that it's going to actually ruin the curls because I have to do so much just to unloosen it. So now that I know how to use it, I feel like it'll be better. But if I did it on someone else, I feel like it would have came out much better. This thing twisted it so much that it's knotting up and stuff. Ow, what? Okay. Ah, it's too, like, it was too tight. The twists were too tight, but this is how it looks. Yeah, I don't know. Let me just keep going and see how the whole final look comes out. Ow! But I could have definitely done without step 1 with them rolling it before step 2 twisting it. So if I use this product in the future, I would definitely only be doing it on step 2 and omitting step 1 altogether. Because step 1 is Senegalese twist in a way. They're rolling and then twisting, rolling and then twisting. And that is not really what I need for a twist out. So, and also I feel like just skipping over step 1 would make it a lot quicker too. But when you use that thing, you got to make sure that you are really paying attention to how long it's been on there for. So I'm just going to play with my hair a little bit more because I hate the fact that it's so shrinked and I want some more elevation. So I might just get my blow dryer and blow dry the roots a little bit. I may not because I only need this style for today. But anywho, I'm going to play around with my hair a little bit more. Let me know your thoughts about this twist machine down below in the comment section. My final verdict is that you should definitely get it. It's definitely worth a try. And you can see what works for your hair, what does not work for your hair. You can try it on dry hair, you can try it on wet hair. I don't see it making a huge difference, but it is helpful, I will say that.
It's beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's beige, Ojai.